Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to present here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating and presenting a presentation in Canva is a simple process. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or design that you are working with. If you haven't already, just go to the template section. You see, these are some of the options that you wanted that you can start with. You can use a business for presentation, a social media, an education for presentation, a video, or a marketing presentation. Or if you want, you can search thousands of templates here. Just type in presentation if you want. Press enter. Let's see what we got here. Basically, there's a lot. You can choose from any of these, all right? If you wanted to start from scratch, let's click on the create a blank presentation. Now from here, all I have to do is go to the upload section. I'm going to upload an image because I wanted to create a design from scratch. I already have the design in place. So what I'm going to do is put the logo here, and I'm going to go to the video. Maybe I'm choosing something like very interactive. How about this fire right here? Going to put that in. The ocean right here. Kind of like a backdrop. And of course, I'm gonna choose like a background to make it more interactive. Maybe this. Let's see what we got here. Right, so blends perfectly well. Let's see the best design that complements. All right, so once you're ready with that, you might want to make sure that these are animated. Click on one element and go to animate. For example, I'm going to choose rise or pop or succession. This one is like breathe, and this one is like a kind of like a photorize. All right, so after that, I'm going to click this right here. That's the thumbnail view. And then afterwards, I'm going to click on the play button right here to make sure that the element and the videos are in place. All right. And again, you can add transitions between slides right here. You can also change the color if you wanted. If you want that, close that right here. So this is going to be the presentation mode. It's in full screen. So you can check the present button on the top right corner of the screen to preview your slides in full screen mode. And of course, you can choose to present in standard, autoplay, or presenter view. All right, so these are some of your options. For example, you're happy with the presentation and you want to download this as an MP4. I want you to click on the upper right corner, click on download as an MP4 video. And of course, if you want to share this presentation on any of your client, or if you're working with multiple freelancers or team collaborator, just click on the copy link. All right. You can also share this to social media if you wanted, say to your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.